In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to update your Netflix app on your Android TV. So what we're going to do firstly is to actually go into apps. As you can see, you need to grab your remote and go into apps. For me, it's right here. And in here, you're going to see if you can actually find Google Play Store. Some of you will have it right here, and some of you will actually not have a Google Play Store itself here, but you can search for apps. So I'm one of those that have to search for apps here. So I'm just going to click right here, as you can see. Then I'm just going to simply search for Netflix. I can just search like this net and it will be able to find. So we need to go here then click on OK button. Now it's going to search, as you can see, and here is the Netflix app. So I'm just going to click on Netflix right here. And then in here it says open for me, right? But if it says update for you, so this right here, so if this says update, then you need to click on it. But quite often it's going to actually automatically update, just so you know. What you can also do, by the way, to fix if you have some glitches and stuff like that on the app, you can actually go into the settings wheel right here. So I have the settings wheel right here, as you can see. Then click on the OK button on your remote here. Then scroll down in here and click on apps. Then go down and click on Netflix right here. And then you're going to actually, let's see here. Yeah, here it is, clear cache. You can clear cache here and click on OK. And what this does is that it's going to actually fix a lot of bugs that if you're having like bugs on the Netflix app on your Android TV. This fixed it for me actually. So try this and hopefully it's going to be able to fix it for you as well if you have some bugs.